Flave City family, what is up? It is Bobby. It's Memorial Day weekend. I'm wearing my white shirt and I'm at my favorite place, Costco. I'm here on a Saturday, which I don't normally do, but it's the kickoff of the summer. So I thought it'd be fun to come here and do a video for the top summer Costco finds. I'm gonna walk around and show you the best in class when it comes to personal care. Think about sunscreen, think about snacks, meat, and more. So let's walk around Costco, show you what to buy, what to avoid, and how to read those ingredients so you put the best quality stuff in your body. But first, I also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Thrive is a 7-year supporter of the channel, but the reason why I like them is pretty much anything you would get at almost any grocery store is on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper. You save about 32 bucks per order and the box comes to your door. And my promo code is currently for 40% off your first order, but on June 1st, that's changing to 30% off your first order. So I would click my link down below. You get 40% off your first order, a free gift, and it's 30 days risk-free. And Thrive has one of the best non-toxic sunscreens, which I'll talk about in a minute. So load up on that. So less talking, more shopping. Let's walk around Costco. You don't see me wander into the personal care aisle too often here at Costco, but it's summer, meaning the sun is out, you need your sunscreen, and this is on sale. Alba spray, $12.99. This stuff is expensive, so this is literally a great deal. Unfortunately, none of the sunscreens here are Bobby approved, and honestly, I wouldn't put any of these on your body. Why? This is why. Because if we look at the active ingredients here, see what's going on there? These are chemical-based ingredients here. You see avobenzone, homosalate, actisalate. Now, I have a video coming out tomorrow for summer essentials, and it's going to tell you exactly why you don't want to use chemical-based sunscreens. You want to use mineral-based. Mineral-based will be titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. Chemical-based ones have been known to seep into your skin, into your tissue, and be found in your body 3 to 4 weeks later, including, ladies, breast tissue and baby milk. You do not want that, and some of these active ingredients are really bad news. Now, they do have Neutrogena here, but once again, it's not the Neutrogena mineral-based one. Just look at the active ingredients. It has the ones you want to stay away from, but even within mineral, I wouldn't buy Neutrogena because when you look at the inactive ingredients, there's a lot in there. See PEG 100. PEG is a petroleum-based emulsifier. Petroleum stuff is horrible for your skin. There's also a lot of nasty fragrances, alcohol-based stuff, more PEGs there. You want to get clean mineral-based ones. If you watch the video tomorrow, you'll learn what they are, but by far the best are Badger and ThinkSport, but also Thrive Market makes a super clean mineral-based one. I talked about it in my sunscreen review a year and a half ago. It's a really good deal. And when you go on the website for Thrive Market, it's 40% off your first order for the next few days. So it brings the price of the sunscreen down from $6.99 minus 40%. And they have the Badger and they have the ThinkSport. Those are some of the best brands on the market. So click my link down below. Get those sunscreens. I'll put the list in the description box. Just unfortunately, I would not get any of these at Costco. You do not want those chemical-based ones on your skin. This is not a drill. We have 2 new players in the snack food aisle, which is perfect for summertime, but I'm going to this. Fans were DMing me pictures of this last week, and now my Costco here in Boca has it. Say hello to my little friend. My friends, this is the best paleo graham cracker on the market. These are Simple Mills Honey Cinnamon Thims. It's basically a graham cracker. I literally just bought these at Whole Foods 2 days ago for 40% more. This is great because you talk about a thin or a graham cracker, normally cane sugar, wheat flour, bad oil. First of all, look at the flour blend. Watermelon seed flour, like what the what? Who do you think you are? Watermelon seed flour, cashew flour, sunflower seed powder, and flax seeds. The sugar, coconut sugar. The oil, coconut oil, sweetened with honey. No natural flavors, no processed refined oils. 12 thins. Has 7 grams of coconut sugar here, totally allowable. Not only Bobby approved ingredient wise, these taste amazing. Maybe the chocolate flavor is a little better, but they don't have this one here. Run, Forrest, run! This is one of the coolest things I've seen snack wise at the warehouse, and at that price, high five, you're winning for there. And then right next to it, I alluded to this in the ending of my video last week talking about the current May sale. These are High Key almond flour keto crackers. They have the keto cookies down there from High Key. Now, this is interesting because even though it's 2 net carbs, even though the price of $1 per ounce is way cheaper than the Amazon price, it's not quite Bobby approved. Why? There's a few too many cruddy ingredients. Now, the butter, which is the first ingredient, has natural flavors in there. So we can't allow there to be natural flavors in the butter. The whey protein is GMO. I could maybe be okay with that, but there's a second dosing of natural flavors down there, and towards the bottom where there always would be, boom, right there. See that? Yeast extract. That's basically a flavor enhancer, not as bad as MSG, but not ideal at all. But the reason this is low carb is super cool. See right there, it says lupine flour. It's kind of all the rage these days. It's a bean that happens to be very low carb, and they're making pasta out of it. They're making crackers out of it. Now, it's not Bobby approved, but still it's better than pita crackers over there or Ritz crackers right there. It's just a little too far off the beaten path for me. So no to that, but still decent for Costco, but hex to the yes for that one right there. I don't understand why it's hit or miss lately, but I don't see the packet of 100% grass-fed beef burger patties, but because this is local, they do have this 3-pack of Northern Florida 100% grass-fed beef here. It's a decent deal, but you can go to Walmart or Aldi and get a better deal at like basically $5 a pound at those stores. This is still decent, but if you have that package, you guys know what I'm talking about in the past. It is the best deal. It's like $4.99 for pre-frozen patties. Get that, make burgers out of that. That's the kind of beef you want to get. Now, I see out of the corner of my eye, this is not the kind of beef you want to get. And I did a video yesterday. It's a short that'll come out next week about stop eating fake plant-based meats. This is so wrong, okay? They're trying to make burgers into plants. They're trying to make chicken nuggets. Here's the deal. When you're doing it using horrible inflammatory soy protein, natural flavors, a bunch of basically science experiment ingredients, you're doing two things. There's no really good vegetables in here, but what people don't understand, another good reason to eat plant-based is it's better for the environment. Soy and soybean oil and soy protein is devastating for the environment. It's a monocrop. It's almost always GMO. Monocrops have to be replanted every year. You have to till the soil up every year. Really bad to disturb the soil like that. And they're sprayed with Roundup, which basically sterilizes the ground. You're doing the environment an injustice eating this. You're not eating vegetables. If you want to eat plant-based, do it right. Get a real veggie burger. It just pisses me off that including Kim Kardashian did that Beyond Meat burger where she took a fake bite. Bad, bad news. The good news is if you have that packet of grass-fed burgers from Costco, that's what you want. If you're a kombucha fan, which a lot of people are, a hot day, a cold kombucha is nice. Now, this is the Kirkland one, and it's the cheapest one here at 10 cents an ounce. It's technically Bobby approved, but there's something I don't like. So I'll show you. There's always going to be a touch of cane sugar in kombucha because it feeds the bacteria when you have a fermentation. This one doesn't have natural flavors. There's another one here called Kavita that does, so that one's out. I just don't like how one bottle, which is, what does that say, 16 ounces, has 18 grams of sugar. That's towards the higher side for me. So technically it's Bobby approved, but it's a little too much sugar. I don't really drink much kombucha anyway. All the bubbles make me burp something fierce, but let me show you something that I'd rather you get. It's a little more per ounce. It's 14.6 cents per ounce. It's new, so it's already discontinued. Maybe it's a test run. But Health Aid is super high quality, and one serving is 16 ounces also. And there is a difference here because there's only 12 grams of sugar, and the ingredients here are clean as a whistle. That makes a big difference because 12 versus 18 is an extra 6 grams of sugar. 6 grams of sugar, my friends, is a teaspoon and a half, which really adds up when you have a bottle like that. So while both are technically Bobby approved, I'd rather you have this one here. Just do me a favor. Do not think that's a probiotic. Probiotics like that will never make it to your colon. They'll die in your stomach acid. It is a bacteria, a living bacteria, super gut friendly drink. It's not technically a probiotic, but it's really good for you. And if you want to get it, that price is really hot for the summer. Of all the meat here at Costco, this right here is the most under the radar Bobby approved meat. It's Australian grass-fed rack of lamb for $14.99. Now it used to be $11.99, but like all things with inflation, it's gone up. That's still a great price compared to the grocery store. What's really cool about it, it's from Australia. And it's actually better than the lamb in Australia. When I was there 3.5 years ago, I saw them actually in the plant packaging the ones for Costco because it was a culinary tour of Australia. It was amazing. This actually is better than the lamb in Australia because it's vacuum sealed and then sailed across the ocean coming here. You're basically getting a free wet age, which makes the meat more tender. So it's very, very juicy and tender. This is fantastic. And what I learned also on that trip is 40% of Americans have never tried lamb. I think you're missing out. This is the gateway drug. This is the one you want because rack of lamb isn't that gamey. It's like a really nice filet mignon. You slice it into individual racks if you want. Put it on a hot grill. I'm telling you, try this. The price is right. I love it. All right, Flave City family, that is it. I'm out of here. Like I said, I don't normally come to Costco on Saturday, but it was worth it for making this video and showing off my Memorial Day white t-shirt. But that's what to buy here at Costco. Make sure to check out Thrive Market using my link down below. Hurry before it changes to 30% off your first order on June 1st and grab their sunscreen. It's very good, it's non-toxic, and the price is unbeatable. But that is it from Costco, my happy place. I leave you like I always do. Hashtag keep on cooking, mad love, and peace. Later.